So, can Huiyaolaser's line support multiple language settings?
For customers from different countries, we provide operations in various languages. For example, in English-speaking countries, we pre-install an English Windows system. This allows the software interface to be fully in English, including the visual pages. Additionally, the operation screen at the bottom enables switching between Chinese and English pages. The Chinese interface is convenient for our Huiyao engineers for debugging, while the English interface is designed for the customer's engineers to operate. If you look closely, each workstation has bilingual pages, which greatly assist our customers' engineers in understanding and quickly getting accustomed to operating the production line equipment.